Alright, well, we are in the process of setting up for getting out and doing some caching. So, some good news is that we got a new 360 camera for the channel. So, I had been looking at the 360s for quite some time and talked to a lot of people about it. Obviously, there's a lot of YouTubing, checking out videos and whatnot. And settled on the Insta360 X3. Was really torn over this versus the GoPro Max. Only thing is, the GoPro Max has been out for 3 years already. And this particular camera, oops, dropped a light, had a few extra features that the GoPro Max does not. Don't know that I'll need them. I take that back. I will use the crap out of. Let's set that right there for now. I will use the dash cam mode quite a bit. Once I get a mount in for this bad boy. Light sluts, there we go. So anywho, don't need that right there. Again, like I said, in the process of trying to set up here, get situated. See if we do this here, not at all getting funky wonky, but who knows. Tertiary camera. So, and then I got my GoPro. I need to get my mic out too. That's what I need to get back going. So we got the DJI mic. Pull that out. Fire that up. This one. Put this one on us. So one of the things I really like about those, you just got that little magnet that fits right in there. So spin the receiver on. Hopefully. There we go. Alright, so let's load the geocaching app. Back out of the GeoRage. Little carbonator up in here. Parking close. There we go. Alright, so. Like that. Alright, so that's going. Let's go ahead and hit record. That going. Both lights on. Excellent, we're recording. Alright, 12.5 hours left, it says. Awesome. So, I'm just gonna stick this over here. Like so, just like you see it. For gigglers. Okay. I just stick it in my pocket. Got here drive or the place to sell. Well, I don't know that, but okay. Alright, so seatbelt in a minute. Did I get the GoPro out? I did not. Let's get the GoPro out, mount that bad boy up. Turn that on. Alright, so we've got the mic recording now. We've got the 360 camera going. We've got the GoPro up and running. Probably go ahead and put that into time lapse. There we go. What are we going to look at today? See, list view. We want to go. Look at my list. There we go. 1.5. Okay, so, oops, put that too far out there. Cool. Well, that went down there kind of far, didn't it? Sorry. Alright, so we got cameras. Alright, so we got time lapse going. That's cool. Good deal. Alright, so we put that there. still didn't clean the window, did I? What a loser. All right, let's go. Let's go try out Hoth. Shall we? What do we got for Hoth here? Hoth, hey, what do you know? It's right here on the top.
Hi, so I realized I forgot to record an outro for this particular portion of the video. So anyway, that's kind of what it takes for me to get ready to go caching. Hopefully in the next one, we'll be able to do a little bit of behind the scenes and kind of show you what it takes to put a drone up and get some of the pictures and some of the footage from where we're actually at the cache location. So hope to get that up soon. Hope you enjoyed this. If so, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notify button so you'll be notified when new videos come out. All right, great. Thanks. Have a wonderful day, guys.